going on a walk. Well, a jog. Road work ahead. So we're not gonna go to the gym today. We are going to be going around the lake.
There is never road work, and today there's road work.
Yeah.
Of all days. It's crazy.
It's a Tuesday. So we're gonna go walk and run.
Oh, and I won an Amazon gift card, $20.
Oh,
and I went and
yeah.
got it from the warden's office today.
Uh-huh.
That was cool.
So pretty right now. Wow. Look. That is amazing. Look at all of that. It is pretty awesome. We're so lucky to have this lake to walk around. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 3rd, and I thought I'll go for a jog around the lake and see if I can capture some beautiful morning shots. And so, let's go. That should be good. I jog for a little bit, then I take in the surroundings, and then I jog again. But ooh, there's some ducks over here. Right there are my pampas grass. They're what my whole Instagram color scheme is based off of. Look at that. So pretty. Wow, I love how the sun just shines on them. So I usually walk this lake every day, and it never gets old. It's so pretty. Every day I see something new and I love it. I just love finding the small things out there that, you know, sometimes we miss because we're just going so fast. But again, let me show you guys my favorite right here. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm gonna take a video of them. Look at that. Look at them. Wow. So nice. But anyway, as I was saying, this is a very beautiful lake, and this is one of the things that I'm always very grateful for every morning. I'm excited that I'm able to share it with you guys. We're coming to one of my favorite areas. This is the peninsula. And look how gorgeous all the leaves on the ground are. And they have these cute little chairs that you can sit on. There's even a trash can. It's all from leaves. And they're all from this huge, beautiful little tree right here. super amazing. Yeah, so this peninsula leads out to this little bench here. You can sit and just relax. So amazing. This is the view. Right now the sun's kind of in my eyes, but we get really good morning sun right here. So we're now at the other side of the lake where I started. I started over there, and this is my favorite spot. Well, I keep saying that, but I have several favorite spots. But this is like a little levee, and then I like it over here because you can see the whole lake. There's like a helicopter above, so hopefully you guys can hear me all right. But yeah, this is a very pretty place section if you want to see the whole lake. I love it that this lake is not too small but not too big. I'm gonna finish up my jog and then go home to get some breakfast. I want to show you guys something super cute. If you see here, there's little plants, a little grass that's growing on this just like dirt road. But after the rain, look at it. It's so cute. Hi, kitty. This cat is so white. We call her Snow. She always lives by this gutter right here. There she goes, stretching. Oh no, I don't have food for you. Sorry. Bye-bye. Honestly, I'm a little afraid of animals. So, this is why I'm not petting this cat. Oh, I think she likes me. She's hanging out with me. Oh. Sorry I don't have any food for you. But you're like hanging out with me.